Today we'll show you our favorite recipe to brew delicious AereoPress coffee at home. Before we start, we would like to remind you how important it is to choose great coffee and to use filtered water. The coffee we'll be brewing is produced by a young cooperative from Indonesia. It is a specialty coffee, lightly roasted coffee, grown between 1700 and 2000 meters above sea level. The water we're using has a general hardness of 95 ppm and a bicarbonate content of 45 ppm. We're gonna freshly ground 12 grams of coffee to a medium settings of around 400 microns. The water is heating up to reach 95 degrees Celsius. We're gonna set our AerePress as an inverted method, and we're gonna also heat it up. In this way, we can also wet the paper filter of the AerePress. The coffee goes in first, then we're gonna pour 200 grams of water right on top of it. Make sure you then stir for 5 times so that all the ground coffee gets evenly wet. Now place the AerePress lid on and leave to infuse for 1.5 minutes. After this, you're gonna gently turn the AerePress onto a server and press for 20 seconds. Your coffee is now ready to be enjoyed, but we recommend waiting for at least 2 minutes in order to let it cool and get an overall better experience.